guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth Kirubo Nyakundi. So I want to do the map work that was done in 2019. KCSE paper 1, question 6. The first question was, what is the 4-figure grid reference for Kokungo Dam? So you have to look through the map and identify where we have Kokungo. You're seeing it is here, Kokungo Dam. Here. So you are asked to find the 4-figure grid reference. Remember, grids are read as you go first along the stairs, then up along the corridor, up the stairs. So we go like this. Kokungo, it is here. Read the margin there. It is coming to 71. And then you go and read for across there on the okay, you rise up, so you can see it is progressing from here until here. So you find 34. So your grade reference will be reading as 71, 34. That's the correct answer. If it was a 6th grade reference, you will have that 71-34. Then you come and find this. The first thing, you subdivide that grade further, then you get to count and write the correct answer. The 6th grade reference is more specific. So what about if it was Tunga? It will be this one, 71. Not really, it is 70. You can even use the ones here at the center, you don't have to go down. So we have 70, then 36 for Tingada. Is what is the magnetic variation of the map? So the difference between the true north and the magnetic north, whereby we are finding there. That's 0 degrees 52 minutes. That is the magnetic variation, also known as magnetic declination, and here it was negative because it's headed to the west. Was you give the area of the forest, the area covered by the forest. So here you are trying to look at it and it's an irregular shape, so you'll use full or complete grids plus the ones which are incomplete. So in this case, all of them are incomplete. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Incomplete, divide by 2, you get round 6, and you now come and convert into kilometers square. Because, for example, there question was, draw a square 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters to represent the area enclosed by easting 84 and 98, 28 and 38 nothings. Then there you make sure you name forest, swamp, district. We have the boundary, range and river, valley. So easting 84 is here. Yeah. Then we have easting 96. So it will be 90. Now things, we have 28 to 35. 38 here. Yeah, up to 35. So this is 94, and they wanted, you go to where 84 is here. Yeah, then you can get to enclose that area. It's there. Another thing they wanted are the valleys, so you look through the areas where the rivers are flowing through from the highlands. The range, you will look where we have hills, group of hills. Yeah, it's a range. Then another thing they wanted were boundary. You're able to do that. Was describe relief of the area covered by the map. One is that the highest point is approximately 624 feet. The other thing is that there is presence of numerous hills that is indicated by the wherever you see we have conical contours like here. You can see we have a couple to see a pass between Nyakwa and Kaundo. Yeah. So you find like a transport line is able to pass through that boundary. Like here we have two hills and there's a space here. If there is a transport line connecting, that is a pass. If it is not connecting through, that becomes a saddle or col, C-O-L. Come here, you find the contours are packed closely to mean that is a steep slope. Another thing is that on the eastern part of the map there are many river valleys. Eastern side here, and a lot of rivers flowing. Like we have the Mugusi there, Nyamagundo, Matongo. Western part has undulating landscape, also known as rolling landscape. Why? Because you can see the contours are widely packed. Before you reach the next interval, you'll have moved a long distance, so it's undulating. Don't see on the bottom part. You try to use either compass to locate, you can use a bearing, etc. Southwest, which had undulating landscape. On the southeastern part, you're seeing that we have descending area because it has many rivers, so probably it is where the different hydromorphic features are going to drain into. Asked is identify the social services offered at Kamagambo. So Kamagambo is here. You try to look at the services offered. For example, they could be religious, they could be trade, it could be health, education. Let's see. I think it's a residential area because we have some settlements there. Yeah. If it was something like in Nyamuga, we have education services being offered. In Nyakach, we have education also. Others have trade, like Nyaburu, they have a butchery and education. Education is valued in this map so much. Another thing was citing evidence from the map, explain the three factors that favored farming. Here we have presence. For example, here we have presence of water from the various rivers. transport networks like these ones, so they'll ensure that the agricultural produce reaches the market zones easily. And then we have industrialization, like here we have the flour mill, perhaps to also we have the jaggery for sugarcane. We have a flour mill, sugar research. Also we have research stations, so it's also promoting agriculture. Availability of market. We have different markets like here in Gunga, here Magina, a lot of places. We have Nyamatutu. So these ones are providing a source of market. We also have source of cheap labor, because we are seeing dense population around those areas, especially on the mountain side, perhaps for security or availability of food, or to avoid the drained areas. So you're saying it's so easy to describe the various topographical features, especially relief. You get to identify the main relief feature, which side are they flowing through, the slope, how it appears, etc. Until then, I've been your host Ruth Kerubo. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like. Also get to comment on the comment section on what you'll love us to discuss.